I wanted to share some of the answers to the questions that this person was asking, because we are also part of the Medical Advisory Committee for the Neuropathy Alliance of Texas, which is a nonprofit neuropathy association here in Austin. And so we get a lot of these inquiries, and I wanted to let everybody know about, some of these, answer some of these questions. And so one of the questions, let me just look at my email, was, what is the number of treatments that's required for neuropathy? So in our clinic, everything is very transparent. It's very clear, very black or white. And in our clinic, acupuncture either works or it doesn't. And so when someone comes in with neuropathy, the first thing that we look for the first thing we test is we want to test to see if their body will respond to acupuncture. And we do that by doing 3 treatments to 6 treatments. So usually we do, if they have numbness, we do about 6 treatments, which is 3 treatments per week for 2 weeks. And after the 6 treatments, we want to see some improvement, whether in their numbness, tingling, burning, pain. We expect, because we created our own acupuncture technique called the QRA acupuncture technique, and so we get results very quickly. So regardless of how long you've had the neuropathy, we expect to get some relief, for you to get relief. It's not going to reverse your neuropathy 100% in 6 treatments, but we're looking for some improvement. If there's no improvement, then we know for sure that your body's not responding to acupuncture, and we stop right there. But if you do see improvements, then the next step is we want to make sure, we want to see how fast or how slow your body's responding to acupuncture, and that would dictate how we proceed with the following treatments. In our clinic, we do help people reverse neuropathy. And during that initial exam, we'll do something that most acupuncture clinics around the whole US, they don't have. And actually most clinics don't have this. This is our thermography machine. You can see it's our infrared thermal scan. Okay, we use this to detect blood circulation to see how your blood is circulating to your feet, to your hands, or maybe even to your face. Because some people actually do have neuropathy symptoms in their face too, but most of the time it's mostly in the hands and feet. Okay, so that's the first question. The second question is, this person, her neuropathy was possibly due to Crestor or cholesterol medications. Yes, that is a possibility. If you're taking cholesterol medications, there is a possibility that you may get neuropathy from it. And so her question was, once we use the acupuncture to reverse her neuropathy, can she get back onto the medication? Now, I'm not a physician, so I'm not going to tell anybody what to do about their medication. What I can tell you is, if the cause was due to Crestor, if you get back on Crestor, guess what? You're going to have that side effect again. You're going to have the neuropathy symptom again. See, acupuncture is focused on restoring function. It's not focused on getting your body used to a foreign chemical, because that's what medications are. Medications are foreign chemicals to your body. They don't belong in your body. So your body's responding to the side effect by telling you, hey, this is poison, stop giving me poison. So acupuncture doesn't make poison acceptable for your body.
Contact us to schedule an initial exam today.